Hey guys, Mohamed Abanour here. We're here for another product review, and today we're going to be reviewing the camera stand, or no, the phone stand. That's the correct word. The phone stand, where you guys are positioned on. And I feel like this is one of the reviews that's going to be a bit weird because the camera angle is going to be different. I'm going to be holding it like a vlog, but let's get into it. So this is the phone stand I usually use. This is where I do all my recording from. Very stable and very, very good. It has a lot of functionalities. One being, it has a Bluetooth remote where you can detach it and take it with you, take a long shot from far away. And this is the most important thing, it has two detachable lights where you can light up a room even if it's dark, okay? And it's amazing. So right now I'm going to show you all of the different light settings first, and then we're going to go over to the actual stand. So there is a charging port at the top of the detachable light, and you get two of these on the stand. And there's a side button on the side which you hold for 2 seconds, and then you have light. So this is one of the light settings. This is the yellow light, so or a warm light settings, I think it's called. A brighter warm light, and then you've got the white light, a natural white light, a brighter natural white light, and then you've got a regular light or a cool color, and then a brighter version of that cool color, and you just hold it down for 2 more seconds and it's off, and you get two of these. Now I've seen on the market that there are some phone holders with ring lights, and you can turn it around and you can charge it from the actual phone holder itself at the bottom. But the reason why I prefer this over those is because those ring lights, it's going to be hard to store. You can't really detach from the ones I've seen already. And these ones, you can detach. So you can face them that way, facing away, and then you can detach it, attach it, and face it towards you if you're doing these type of videos. It has two sections which hold the phone very well, and I mean very well. Just trying to do everything with one hand. So there it is, that can fold in and out, and it's got amazing grip on it, rubber grip, so your phone will not fall off. And any size phone, you know, it's got a retractable, which is amazing. And now we're gonna see how long or how tall it stands. Okay, this is at a weird angle, but I do need to make sure I show you guys how far this can go. So yeah, it is very, very long. And here is the stand. It's got the rubber bits at the bottom, so it won't slip as easily as ones you'd find on, well, any website. And you can just retract it. Oh, that was loud. You can retract it and easily fold it like so, and it's ready to be packed away. So there we are. I just wanted to do one more test before we come to the end of the video, and that is the difference between the lights off, the detachable lights off, and the lights on. So this is the detachable lights off, and this is with the detachable lights on. You know what? I'm going to close the curtain. There we go. We were getting a lot of natural lights coming in. But look, you can still see me, which is amazing. Now, as usual, there will be an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. Get yourself one of these and like, comment, subscribe.